Hey friends, and welcome again. Today we are going to solve this math operation in which we have 3 minus 5 parenthesis 3 minus 5, but its answer is not 4. Okay, now let's start with solution. For such type of math operations where two or more operations are applying, we have to follow PEMDAS rule. Just like here, according to PEMDAS, parenthesis has higher priority than subtraction. So first, we do this parenthesis. 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. And in next step, 3 minus 5 times negative 2. Easy, right? Okay, again, here we do this parenthesis. 5 times negative 2 equals negative 10. And here's we know, negative times negative is positive. So our current equation transform like 3 plus 10. Now adding them, we get 13. Done. This is our final answer for above stated question. 3 minus 5 times 3 minus 5. Now guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more math tech videos. And stay connected always. Thanks for your valuable time.